Welcome to today's solution video. Today I'll be covering in this short video is our Winspool report download software. This will help your organization give users a way to directly access spool files remotely and be able to download them in usable formats like PDF, Word, text, HTML, or even Excel if the users need to work with the data more. The Winspool software is a desktop application. It allows you to quickly and easily access spool files with minimal training. All you need to do is open the application, log into with your secure IBMI credentials, and then select an output queue on which you want to access from the list. You can then browse for the different spool file or spool files you want to be able to download and either preview them quickly in the screen, or you can download them in all different kinds of selected formats from the drop-down menu. Once the file is downloaded, you are off and using that report and or the data to do your job efficiently. All right, now let me show you how it works in a live demonstration here. So this is the Winspool report download software. It gives you the capability to be able to sign on with your IBMI credentials. So I can sign on with my credentials. And this is going to allow me to access different kinds of reports that my credentials have access to inside the system. When I come into the system here, it gives me the capability to, first of all, get a list. So if I want to say get a list, I can get a list from there. Or I can say, you know what, maybe I need to refresh that list of output queues that I have access to. So I can hit that refresh button here first, and then pop open a list inside of here. So I can say, what is my list that I have access to? Or if I already know the name of the output queue, I can type that in and hit the tab key or enter key, and it's going to populate that with that information there. And then it's going to allow me to hit this get list button here to be able to get the list of updated reports in that output queue. Now there's a couple different options you have here from that standpoint. So if you see, if I click on a report, the little download options change. It's going to allow me to do different things and download the file in different formats, from PDF to text, HTML, it could be Word, could be Excel that you want to be able to go to, but it gives you all these different options to be able to, pull those reports into for different formats to be able to work with it or view that data. Now, in some cases, I might just want to quickly view this to see, might not want to create a PDF or an Excel document. I might just want to see what it looks like, right? So you can right click on it and say preview selected report. And what that's going to do, it's going to preview that spool file inside of here, so you can sort of see that information to see if that's what you really want to be able to download. Or maybe you just want to be able to get the data off of that quickly. So it's a quick way to be able to explore that output queue and be able to see some of that data. Or in this case here, I want to be able to create a PDF out of that. So I can select that report, right click, and then say download selected report. Or if there was multiple, I can select multiple in that case and do that same process with. So it's either one or many that I can do. And then when that file it pulls it open here, it's going to show me the spool file in that view, right? So it's going to take that EPSODIC SES spool file, and it's going to display it in here, and it's going to allow me to be able to page through it if I need to be able to see other pieces of data, but be able to really work with that data in that case. Like I was talking about here, so we can download them to the desktop, or in some cases you even might want to be able to email them after download. We do have those different options here for you to be able to use and have the users be able to interact with. Thank you for watching today's solution overview video of the Winspool report download. Feel free to contact us if you have any further questions about how the solution works, or even to that next level, what kind of automation steps can we take, to be able to integrate into this process, to be able to help users and maybe not interactively download them, but also, automatically have them in their email inbox or into a directory, or even into our WebDocs solution for archival purposes. So feel free to contact us here at Help Systems or me or myself directly to schedule a free one-on-one demonstration and or consultation. Thank you for your time today.